Have you ever felt like your finances are just stuck? No matter how hard you try, you're saving, you're budgeting, but that feeling of abundance just isn't there. Well, what if I told you the solution might not be in your bank account, but right here, in the room around you? It sounds strange, I know, but there's a powerful connection between the clutter in your home and the stagnation in your wealth. Let's dive into why cleaning up your space could be the key to unlocking your financial potential. So, what's the big deal with a little mess? It all starts with something called visual noise. Think about it. When your space is filled with stuff you don't need or love, your brain is constantly processing it. Every pile of papers, every gadget you never use, every piece of clothing you plan to wear someday, it's all visual information that your mind has to filter out. This creates a low-level, constant stress. It's like having a dozen browser tabs open in your brain all the time. This mental exhaustion drains your energy, leaving you with less focus for the things that actually matter, like making smart financial decisions or pursuing new income opportunities. When your environment is chaotic, your mind feels chaotic too. And that's not a state where financial growth happens. This leads us to another major problem: decision fatigue. Every single day, we have a limited amount of mental energy for making choices. From what to eat for breakfast to big career moves, each decision uses up a little bit of that energy. Now, imagine your home is cluttered. Just getting ready in the morning becomes a series of unnecessary decisions. Which of these 50 shirts should I wear? Where did I put my keys? Do I have a clean coffee mug? All these small, seemingly insignificant choices add up by the time you get to the important financial decisions, like whether to invest or how to cut expenses. Your brain is already tired. You're more likely to make impulsive choices, put off important tasks, or just stick with the status quo because it's easier. A cluttered space depletes your decision-making power, which directly impacts your ability to manage and grow your money effectively. So, how do we fix this? It's not about becoming a minimalist overnight. It's about raising what I call your wealth standard. Your wealth standard is the level of quality and order you demand from your surroundings. It reflects the value you place on yourself and your life. When you decide that you deserve to live in a clean, organized, and inspiring space, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind. You're telling yourself that you are worthy of abundance, not just in your home, but in your finances too. A fantastic way to start raising your wealth standard is with the one in, one out rule. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Every time you bring something new into your home, a new book, a new shirt, a new kitchen gadget, you must let go of one similar item. Buy a new pair of shoes, an old pair has to go. This simple habit does two amazing things. First, it forces you to be more mindful about your purchases. You'll start asking yourself, is this new item really better than what I already have? Is it worth letting something else go? This naturally curbs impulsive spending. Second, it prevents new clutter from accumulating, keeping your space clear and your mind calm. You're actively curating your environment, choosing only to be surrounded by things that serve you and bring you joy. By clearing the physical clutter, you're not just tidying up your house, you're decluttering your mind and upgrading your entire mindset about wealth. You create space, both physically and mentally, for new opportunities to flow in. You'll feel more energized, more focused, and more in control of your life and your finances. You'll find that as your home becomes a place of peace and order, your financial life will start to reflect that same clarity and growth. It's a powerful shift that starts with one simple action: deciding that you deserve better. Start today. Look around your room. What's one thing you can let go of to make space for more abundance in your life? Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on creating a life you love. Let me know in the comments what you think about the connection between clutter and wealth. See you next time.